Welcome to Ecomplug.com. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to set up your store and get it fully ready for customers. Once your store is approved, go to the Settings tab and click on Store Setting. Here, you'll update your general information. Upload your store logo and favicon. Enter your store name, email, and contact number for both calls and WhatsApp. Next, select your opening days and timings. If you'd like, you can also add a special notice for your customers. Then add your social media links and click Save Changes. Now let's move to the Country tab. This simply shows the country where your store is operating. In the Payment tab, you'll see your payment cycle details. In the Marketing tab, you can add your Facebook pixel and TikTok pixel IDs. This is important for proper conversion tracking. Right below that, you'll find a feed URL we've already created for you. Copy this link and add it to your Facebook or TikTok shops to sync your product catalog. Next is the Shipping tab. Here, you can set your flat shipping charges. This is the standard shipping cost your customers will pay. You can also set a free shipping limit, so if an order crosses that amount, customers get free delivery. Now let's connect your domain. You have two options. Use the Ecomplug domain provided for you, or use your own custom domain. If you choose this, enter your personal domain and update your DNS settings with the records shown in your dashboard. Moving on to the Themes tab. Here, you'll find the latest trending themes. Simply select the theme you like, and your store front end will automatically update. Finally, we have the SEO tab. Here, you'll enter your store title, description, and keywords. This helps your store rank better on Google and attract more customers. And that's it. Once all settings are complete, your store is fully configured and optimized. Now you're ready to start selling with Ecomplug.com.